Hi, welcome back. Bit of a hair one today. So I was approached by the Sam McKnight people and they asked me if I wanted to pick my 3 favourite products, and then if you like those 3 products you can buy 2 of them and you get the 3rd one for free, 3 and free. So I actually picked the ones that I use the most, that are the most useful to me and the easiest to use. Also, I think that they are sort of applicable to everyone. So I'm going to show you how I use those now, and I'll show you maybe a few ways of using it. Now, you may or you may not know I'm not a trained hairdresser, so all of my tips are things that I've picked up from either watching hairdressers or they're just self-taught, so they're things that work for me. So hopefully the way I do my hair might work for you, because it's not very technical. It's just all about speed and ease. The first product I picked was Lazy Girl. This is a dry shampoo, and what it does is it refreshes your style. And if you don't like washing your hair very frequently, and the reason for that for me really is twofold. I have very thick and very dry hair. I also have coloured hair, so the more I wash it, the drier it gets, the fluffier it gets, and quite frankly it's only ever the roots that need washing, so I don't want to do it too frequently. So I'll show you how to use Lazy Girl. If you have brunette hair like me, sometimes you find with dry shampoo that you don't want to spray it directly on the hair because of the product will just be in one place, and you maybe need it everywhere. So what I do is take a bristle brush and then you can just comb it through where you need it. And this is particularly useful if you have bangs or a fringe, as we say in the UK. My kids say bangs now, it's very bizarre. If you have a fringe that you find gets oily from touching it or from skincare products or whatever, this is a really good way to keep your hair oil-free and refreshed. So this one here is called Cool Girl. I love this product. This is the Barely There Texture Mist. So it gives you volume. It really pumps up your hair. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a heated tong on my hair, and then I'll show you how I finish it with this. I like a tong with one of these on it, you know, so it can hold the hair, because since I burnt my face, I've learned the hard way. So I'll just hold the hair in and just pull it up like that. And then you can pull the hair and hold it until it cools down, and you won't get that tight kind of bridal hair thing. So I just pull it until it's a bit looser. When you're doing those back sections of hair, make sure you get some of that in at the root. Now we're on to the front. This is the hardest bit for me. And then just get this out of the way. Spray that in at the root. Take your tong and you turn it so that bit's underneath. You twist up until the yellow band is at the top, or whatever your tong is, and then just pull it out. You see what that did? It's still forwards, but it just twisted it out the way of my eyes. Okay, so quite a lot of volume. Now the great thing about this product is at any point in the day, if it starts to look a little bit like it's not got volume, you just reinvigorate it and it will be up again. Okay, the 3rd product is Happy Endings, and this is for your ends. And so if, like me, your hair looks kind of fluffy on the ends, you put this through and it will give you a finish to your ends. So I just put a little through the ends. It tames frizz. I mean, I use it for taming frizz. What do they say? Nourishing cream enriched with pro-vitamin B5 and shea butter helps tame frizz, smooth split ends, soften hair, define curls and create texture. And this is where my hair always starts. Then I will just wear it like this and I'll flip the parting. This will last about a week. I'll just flip the parting, shake it up, and basically whatever I do with it from this point looks pretty good. I think. Well, that's how I like my hair anyway. I like it big and I like it messy. And because also then you've got so much luxury to do cool stuff with it. So I'll leave the fringe. Then I'll take the section behind the fringe. Don't know what that's called. It's not the crown. It's just that bit. And with my bristle brush, I will pop a tiny bit of backcombing in. All cool hair for me starts with backcombing because it's the only way I know how to get a shape. I don't have the sort of technical ability to do it with like a round hairbrush and a hairdryer. I mean, I probably could if I really, but I can't be asked is the thing. I just want it quick and easy. So then the section behind, little bit of backcombing in there as well, just at the root, don't have to do the whole thing. Then we flick those bits back, right? And we start by pinning in a couple of curvy grips at the back. Don't worry about hiding the grips. It's not your wedding. Do you know what I mean? It's fine to have like visible grips, in my opinion. I never worry about such things. Then I start taking little pieces and I just pin that in too. Now what I try to do when I'm getting the shape for this is I try to leave enough hair to kind of cover, because you'll see here, my hair goes back quite far. So I don't want like a little bit of fringe at the front and then nothing there. So I kind of pull enough hair out that it covers my little receding hairline. Oh, my eyes watery. And coffee. Now, if you want to, you can do like half up, half down, like this, very French. Or if you're really, really hot and it's a very sweaty day, you can pin the whole lot up. You've got a bit of a cow's lick at the front and one side doesn't go the same way. So I pull this bit back across like that, and then I go the same way that I went on that side. And I don't know why this works, but it does work. I can't tell you how, but for some reason, it makes it work. So give it a go. Let me know in the comments if it works for you. Then I take the end of my bristle brush and I just shape this here so that it's not all wonky. And there you go. That is how I do hair up on bob length hair. But what I will do is just show you the back so you can see. I have no idea what it looks like. I'm assuming it's fine. I can't feel any massive bits poking out, but who really cares? It's super easy, and it's an easy way for you to get your hair off your neck when it's really hot like it is today. And also, if you it works on any length hair. So if you really struggle with getting your hair up, that's a really good place to start. Start with the crown, pin it in, and then pin everything around the crown. Super easy. And then I'm just going to finish by popping a little bit of my happy endings on my ends to make them look tidier. These are the 3 products that I used. They're available as a bundle from Sam McKnight. Oh, someone's having a lovely time. So we've got Lazy Girl, which is the dry shampoo. We've got the Cool Girl, which is the texture mist, which you will use and use and use and use. And then we have the happy endings, which is the smoothing. That's it from me today. If you've got any questions about anything that I've done today, leave it below. And I'll catch up with you guys soon. Take care. Bye.